Mama Mai, this is your first yoga lesson.
I know, my first time, so exciting.
Did you spray on perfume?
I don't.
Yes, you did.
I don't.
We're about to do yoga. Hello, Hunnay!
Hello, Hunnay!
Thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video.
You are welcome.
It's been a last stressful few months, and I wanted to teach my mom some calming practices that she can do by herself when I'm not around, like yoga. Are you excited about yoga, Mom?
Yoga or yogurt?
Yoga, Mom.
Yoga.
So I'm gonna teach her yoga, but first, fam, I just wanted you to notice how fluffy and moisturized my hair looks. Excuse me, Mom. Do you like? Look at my waves, look at my shine, look how it holds the bounce. I have 0 extensions here.
What you using?
Well, I'm gonna share it with you, Mom, because it's Function of Beauty, and that's what I wanna tell you guys about. First off, these products have 0 parabens, sulfates, toxins, or GMOs. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Not only did it make my colored and damaged hair look full and moisturized, but it holds product so well after it, and it smells minty fresh. Smell.
Yes, that's what it smells from you, not from me.
I know, it smells me. It's so good.
You thought I put perfume, but I don't put perfume at all.
I thought my mom had perfume on, but it was actually me that smelled so good.
You, that just smell.
You're welcome.
It's nice, huh? Can I use that for the color hair like me?
Yeah, since I'm staying home a lot more these days, I've started really focusing on the things that I don't normally do to take care of myself. So some customized self-care. I take care of my skin, my health, my diet, but I just don't take care of my hair. So when I found that you could customize the type of shampoo, conditioner, and masks for your hair type, I was all in.
Really?
So first off, I picked the color. Looking at this packaging in my bathroom creates like a calming, very like spa-like atmosphere.
Beautiful.
So I picked sage. I also made sure that I wanted some type of mint inside of my products. Mom, smell my hair products.
Smell like a mint.
It's so good.
Oh, you can relax.
It smells like minty, and it also has this tingling sensation on your scalp.
Oh, I like that.
My goal for my hair is to grow longer and thicker. I want the strands to be individually more full. It feels like a break every time I pull one single strand, and I'm sick and tired of that snapping. I'm hoping that this will improve the elasticity in my hair, give me better shine, and help it to grow stronger.
They put your name Jeannie.
I know, isn't that cool?
So why should I hold it for? My name is Mama Mai. They should give me one. They just give it to you. Here, you hold it. That's your name.
What a jealous.
I'm not gonna use it.
So they customize
unless
it.
they send it to me.
I'll get you some for your birthday, Mom.
That's nice. That's a nice color. Stuff, look, I like it.
I never buy shampoo again until I'm already out. And by then I filled it with water, shaken it, put it upside down, and it's terrible. I don't have great hair.
Asian style.
It's very Asian style. So Function of Beauty offers you subscription option. You can have it delivered every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, or so forth. But basically, you don't have to worry about your hair care anymore. The hair care is gonna take care of you. So of course, I've got to hook up my fam out there. If you click on the link below, you will get 20% off your own customized Function of Beauty hair care products. Make sure you get the mask because it's so yummy. And you can copy my formula. It's sage with mint essence in it.
After or before?
After.
I like to use it. Oh, put it on, leave it on.
Yeah, leave it like a mask.
I like it. Leave it on. Yeah.
So how about this?
This one, they don't put your name on it so I can have it.
No,
They put your
they
name
all
on?
have
They don't?
Function of Jeannie.
Ever.
After we do yoga, Mom, you can have this.
No, tell them send me.
Okay, Function of Beauty, take care of Mama Mai.
Thank you. I have a color hair. I want to make sure I put it on. My hair's still
Function of
colored.
Mama Mai.
Okay.
Meditation, Mom, do you know what that is?
Make you fall asleep or what?
No, meditation is actually practicing to be very present. You're probably aware that you're on camera, so you're not really present in this moment of your breathing, how your heart. So you're not being present and calm about your breathing, your heartbeat. When's the last time you asked yourself how you're doing?
I never asked myself. I know myself.
And so, yoga is a great exercise that accompanies meditation because it allows you to just relax and get into relaxing body postures so your body circulates and flows.
Good. Especially you wear this one so comfortable. This is one love, one dry. She gave it to me.
It's really nice.
I like it.
Ta-da! So I decided to change my clothing into now something a little bit more calming.
It's nice, but I can see your butterfly right there.
Mom, don't look there.
Okay.
So Mom, in order to get you into your first step of yoga, it's gonna be very easy. We're gonna look at some popular yoga poses and we're going to repeat what we see.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, you stretch, Mom?
Straight? Yeah. Wait, let me make sure nobody sees my butterfly. Ow.
Guys, we know that we should have mats. We don't have any.
She put it, she had it. She put it someplace she can even find it.
Pose number 1. Here we go. Take a look.
Okay. There.
Left foot, right foot, and bend.
Bend on the way. Oh my God. Ah.
Breathe, Mom. Mom,
It's slippery. It's slippery. Don't worry.
Wait, Mom. Okay.
Okay.
Relax.
Relax.
You this foot a little bit more, like a little
More
bit.
up.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Relax. Okay. Look up to the ceiling, Mom. Yes, there we go. Bend lower. Lower. Relax, Mom. Relax.
Oh my goodness. How many, oh my God. How many flies is it? Hurry up! Oh my God, I cannot play that.
Okay, this next pose, Mom, is to help you with your core balance. So your core is really the center of your body, and if you strengthen your back muscles, your stomach muscles, and you align this center part of your body, it makes you the strongest for the rest of your limbs, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to sit down on your butt, so arms, and then slowly legs. Strengthen your stomach, straighten your back, and then you'll feel yourself get into a nice balanced shape.
You look like you fell down.
Sure, whatever. 1, 2, 3. Mom, that's really good! You're so good!
I know.
Wait, you're almost on the floor.
That's
Mom,
because
lift up,
I'm
lift up.
falling down. Out. Oh my God, it's not easy.
Good job, Mom. Lift up your back more.
Back more.
Off the ground.
Off the crap. I can. 5. Okay. Okay. Whatever.
Here we go, Mom. This one is all about loosening your neck. Mom, your neck
Okay.
is a pioneer part of your body because it controls how you move your head and what direction you're going to go. Not just your neck, but the shoulder muscles right below your neck. I suggest laying down like this and then slowly lift your body up, okay?
Okay.
And you can use your hands to support your back.
Oh my God.
Am I straight?
Oh my God. That's the only thing I can do.
Mom, you're not even close.
There.
Okay?
Oh.
Okay, Mom?
It's not easy.
Mom, this is a very popular pose that you see a lot of women do because it requires balance and concentration, and we're the best at that. All you have to know, though, is that you have to trust yourself. The harder you lock your joints
Right.
here and at your elbows, the better your balance is.
Okay.
So it's almost like trusting yourself.
Okay. Ow.
Ow, Mom.
Okay.
Stand, okay, bend over just enough. There we go, Mom. Mom, lock it, lock it,
Lock it. Okay.
lock it. Stop moving, you're gonna make me move.
Okay. Hurry up.
Don't stress me.
Okay.
Ta-da! Good job, Mom. Stay right there. Mom!
What? Let's go by itself. I don't want to do anything. Do anything.
You pushed me!
There. Whatever. Oh my.
I don't even know what that is.
You bend your back.
Okay, let's try it, Mom.
Don't give another one easier. Have to be skinny people. It's not easy. Come. Sit like this. One like that. One like this. Right?
Mom, that doesn't even look difficult. You're sitting like a studio picture.
That's
Well,
well.
that's not it.
How?
Yeah,
Okay, let me see. Okay. Oh, you bend like this.
Is this right?
No, wrong. How you do that? Wait. Okay. Her face. Okay, go like this. Like this. Oh. Right? Is that right? Oh yeah.
I think this is it.
Ow. Whatever! My God, it's not easy!
Mom,
Yes,
are you listening?
I am listening.
Your eyelashes are crooked.
Because
Mom,
I exercise too much.
the last few years, Mom,
Okay.
the last few years, I feel like we've had a great time bonding with each other, rebuilding our friendship and connecting.
You see my skin better than your skin. And I'm 60 years old.
You're the youngest at the table. You need to serve your elders. Move, Mom.
No, you look like a Boy Scout.
Aren't you partially blind?
Whoever married to my daughter is an unlucky one because she doesn't know how to cook. Okay? Final.
So I think it would be good for us to demonstrate in yoga poses our trust in one another. Okay, Mama Mai? Together now? Come on.
Like this, and you go like that. Right? Yeah, that's easy.
Face, hand, palm forward.
Go forward.
No, you're right. Mom, don't bend. Straighten your knee.
Oh. Okay.
Are your socks clean?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Mom, you over there. Right down here. Ow!
We do this.
Wow.
We do this side đằng này nè. Giơ lên một cái. And then hand.
Wait, hand.
Where another
Hand over here,
feet?
they're both connected.
Where's another feet?
Up top.
No, you have to go top this one.
No, this one. Up top.
I cannot go top.
Mom, top, come on.
I put arms so I can do it.
No, put the...
I can't. Okay, here you do first. Okay.
Up, all the way up, Mom. All the way up.
Up. Okay.
Mom, give me the other foot. Mom,
Okay.
keep this foot low and then
Okay.
that foot high.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, give me your hand. All the way up, all the way up.
Oh my God, it's terrible.
Ruining the pose.
Did you get a pulse?
Mom, it's like this.
Don't worry, I don't need the shampoo. I don't need the conditioner. You don't have to give it to me. My God, that's a lot of work. Okay, what else?
Okay, this is
Yeah,
a good one.
I like
got
that.
this.
I like that one.
Who is this mother-daughter showing off?
Okay. And then,
Bend this knee and back on the left. You did this one earlier. Are you doing it, Mom?
yes.
Mom, you're not doing it.
I am right there.
Sure, go. Tell me when you're doing it.
I feel great. I think I lost 10 pounds already.
I think we need an instructor.
Oh no. Okay, you skinny. I'm gonna be laying down. You're gonna be up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, then you do the bottom part.
Easy.
You have to be strong, Mom. Like mother-daughter support each other. No, Mom, like a push-up.
Okay. Này nó chơi quá à. Okay, I know, you can do it. Don't worry. There. Hurry up.
You're fine, I'll do it on the couch so there's
Hurry up,
less
hurry
pain
up.
on you.
Hurry up.
Mom, lower your butt a little bit. No,
Okay.
not that much. Up more. You can't cheat.
Ow. Hurry up. Ow. Oh. Ow.
Okay, I'm gonna go down to your feet.
Ow.
I don't want to play this anymore.
I don't think I can play yogurt, man. I just want yogurt.
I think I farted.
You farted. You did. Smell terrible. I can't breathe.
Function of Beauty, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Everybody else, do have fun with your mom like I did with my mom, even though she sucks at yoga.
Yeah, but
Mama,
yeah.
you stick to the kitchen.
I eat yogurt. That's all.
Thank you for subscribing. We love you, fam.
We love you, fam. Make sure you subscribe. I lost 10 pounds already.